Hi, I'm Qwen3.5-Omni, the latest generation of Qwen's Omni-Modal large models. This is my model card. This is my benchmark. Performance showcase, real-world audiovisual tasks. Task 1, comprehensive audiovisual understanding, processes audiovisual inputs to generate structured, time-stamped captions with script-level, fine-grained descriptions.
Lions are characterized by their distinctive appearance, including a robust body, a broad head with a prominent mane in males, and a sleek, tawny coat.
Task 2, audio-visual vibe coding, accurately generates web content based on audio-visual instructions.
Hello Qwen, please help me create an HTML file to showcase my product concept. First, there are two buttons here. The first button represents the product interface, and the second button represents the scenery interface. So in this section of the product interface, I want to display an airplane. In this section, I want to display a car, and in this section, I want to display a banana. When I implement this functionality, I want the product interface to be able to display an unlimited number of images. I want the game to switch to a spring theme when the snake enters this area outlined by the mouse. The background should be a soft yellow. When the snake enters this area, it should switch to a summer theme with a deep green color scheme. When the snake enters this area, it should switch to an autumn theme with a yellow color scheme. When it enters this area, it should switch to a winter snow theme with the blue color scheme. Please display the name of these themes within this area.
Task 3, interactive audio-visual dialogue, native support for online search.
Hello Qwen, I'm heading to Beijing on the 14th. These are the clothes I have prepared for Beijing. After staying in Beijing for 2 days, I'll be traveling to Rio de Janeiro, Brazil to attend an international academic conference. I'll be staying there for about 3 days. Please help me check the temperatures in Beijing and Rio for those days. Then see if the clothes I've prepared are suitable.
Sure, I've checked the weather for you. During your 2 days in Beijing, from the 14th to the 16th, the daytime high will be around 10 degrees Celsius, but it will drop to around 0 degrees Celsius at night. It's still quite cold, so you definitely need to wear the thick coat and long pants you prepared. Layering a long sleeve t-shirt underneath should be just about right. Then you head to Rio on the 17th. It's summer there right now, so it's very hot. Highs will be around 27 degrees Celsius or 28 degrees Celsius over the next few days. There may be rain. The outfit you wore in Beijing definitely won't work there. It's too thick. You need to bring your lightest, most breathable summer clothes, like short-sleeve shirts, thin pants, and so on. By the way, it's best to bring an umbrella. It can serve as both a sunshade and rain protection. Supports multi-turn dialogue with intelligent interruption.
Could you give me a brief overview of this file, please?
This document primarily discusses the Qwen3 series of models. Its most prominent feature is the ability to autonomously decide whether to respond quickly or engage in deep reasoning.
Right.
The models perform exceptionally well across a range of tasks, including code generation, mathematical problem solving, and multi-turn conversations with users. The series consists of 8 distinct models, with parameter sizes ranging from 0.6b to 235b, designed to meet diverse application needs.
Could you speak a little louder, please?
All right, let me speak up a bit here. The model was trained on approximately 36 trillion tokens and incorporates cutting-edge techniques like hybrid attention mechanisms to boost inference and training efficiency. Benchmark results.
How many parameters did you say it has?
Parameter counts range from 0.6b to 235b, With Qwen3.5-Omni, A22B employing MOE architecture and having 22B activated parameters, full control over vocal parameters, including emotion.
Hi Gwen, the atmosphere is just right. Please recite a poem about coffee in a despairing tone.
The cup is cold, the steam is gone, the morning light feels heavy on. I sip the dark and taste the dread of all the words I never said. Volume.
I want to buy some things to eat, but I'm afraid of gaining weight. Qwen whispered to me, how many calories are in this bag of a snack?
Since the bag weighs 50 grams and fried fish skin usually has about 500 to 600 calories for 100 grams, this whole bag contains roughly 230 to 300 calories.
So good.
It is quite rich in protein, but also high in fat because it is fried. So if you're watching your weight, try sharing half or saving some for later. You can enjoy it guilt-free as an occasional treat since moderation is key.
Task 4. Multilingual Capabilities. First ever support for speech recognition, ASR, across 74 languages. Speech generation, TTS, support for 29 languages. Supports uploading and customizing AI assistant voice profiles.
Omni-Modal, I have already configured my voice for cloning. Translate the English you hear into Spanish and the Spanish you hear into English.
Got it? I am ready to translate English into Spanish and Spanish into English as soon as you start speaking.
Everyone is talking about omni-modality now.
Ahora todo el mundo habla de la multimodalidad completa.
Pero lo verdaderamente potente no es solo ser capaz de ver y escuchar.
But a truly powerful model is not just one that can see and hear.
Right, it also needs to understand, reason, and interact in real time.
Exacto, también debe poder comprender, razonar e interactuar en tiempo real.
Qwen3.5-Omni es precisamente un modelo de este tipo.
Qwen3.5-Omni is exactly such a model.
Connect with me online via Qwen Chat or access my capabilities through the offline API. Looking forward to meeting you.